Choosing the right paint color for an office is no small matter. Colors have the power to influence the atmosphere, mood, and even our level of concentration while working. That's why it's important to create a workspace that feels comfortable, productive, and full of positive energy. Behr offers a variety of color options that are not only visually appealing, but also carry emotional character that can support your daily activities, whether in a professional office or a home office. In this video, we'll discuss the 10 best Behr office paint color recommendations that can inspire the workspace of your dreams. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our design inspiration content. Number 1. Morning Zen from Behr. If you're looking for a calming work atmosphere, Morning Zen is the perfect choice. This soft pale greenish-gray color radiates tranquility and balance, helping to create a space for reflection and mindfulness. It's an excellent fit for rooms used for brainstorming or small meeting areas that require a more relaxed ambiance. Number 2. Breezeway from Behr. Inspired by the soft color of sea glass, Breezeway brings a touch of vitality and confidence. Its presence can brighten up a room without feeling overwhelming. This color is ideal for creative workspaces or areas that require an extra boost of energy for thinking. Number 3. Vine Leaf from Behr. This deep dark green color delivers a dramatic, yet calming impression. Vine Leaf brings a nature-inspired atmosphere, bold yet timeless. It can be used as an accent wall to add an elegant touch to executive workspaces or formal meeting rooms. Number 4. Fresh Croissant from Behr. Imagine the aroma of warm pastries in a Parisian cafe. That's the impression Fresh Croissant offers. This golden brown hue adds warmth and a welcoming feel to any space. It's perfect for collaborative work areas where employee interaction and teamwork are frequent. Number 5. Iron Mountain from Behr. For those who prefer a modern and professional atmosphere, Iron Mountain is the perfect choice. This strong, dark gray shade conveys a powerful and authoritative impression, making it an ideal option for managerial offices or corporate environments that emphasize a strong brand image. Number 6. Glazed Ginger from Behr. This golden amber color delivers warmth with a sophisticated touch. Glazed Ginger is a bold choice that can be applied to both interiors and exteriors to create a comfortable yet luxurious atmosphere. It also sparks positive energy in a workspace. Number 7. Watery from Behr. For those who want to create a peaceful and airy atmosphere, Watery is the answer. This cool, pale blue helps relieve tension and enhances focus. It's perfectly suited for individual workspaces or home offices. Number 8. Vintage Pewter from Behr. This dynamic gray hue blends the nostalgic feel of black and white photography with a modern, glamorous touch. Vintage pewter works well in industrial or contemporary workspaces that aim to highlight elegance without feeling rigid. Number 9. Petal Tip from Behr. Petal Tip is a soft blend of bright blue that evokes a sense of optimism, like small flowers beginning to bloom in early spring. This color can bring enthusiasm and creativity, making it ideal for work areas that require continuous inspiration. Number 10. Cellini Gold from Behr. If you want a workspace that stands out boldly, Cellini Gold is the perfect choice. This elegant antique gold shade radiates energy and vibrancy. It can be used as an accent to give a strong character to office design. Color plays an important role in shaping the atmosphere of a workspace. Just like furniture and lighting, choosing the right wall color can enhance productivity, creativity, and employee comfort. The Behr color collection above offers unique characteristics that can be tailored to different types of work and design styles. Start experimenting with the shades that best match your brand and your team's vision, and experience firsthand how a shift in color can elevate your work environment to the next level.